Most people think they're strong until they try 10 perfect push-ups. 9 out of 10 can't do it. Why? Because they're making the same 5 mistakes over and over, mistakes that kill strength instead of building it. I know because I made them too. I thought I was progressing until one simple test showed me how weak my form really was. I still remember that day. I hammered out 50 push-ups in front of everyone, felt unstoppable. Then my coach said, "All right, now give me 10 perfect ones." I collapsed at 6. My arms failed. My ego failed. That's when it hit me. Numbers mean nothing without form. That day I unlocked what I now call the strength code. Mistake number 1, half rep. It looks impressive, cranking out 100, but really, you're just nodding at the floor. Your muscles never reach full activation. You're teaching shortcuts, not strength. Real growth lives at the bottom. Go low, go slow, go full. Mistake number 2, flared elbows. It feels natural until your shoulders start screaming. The fix? Keep your elbows tucked around 45 degrees. Protect your joints. Mistake number 3, rushing. This isn't a race. Fast reps impress Instagram, not your muscles. Your body doesn't care about speed. It cares about tension. Mistake number 4, sagging hips. When your core collapses, you're not doing push-ups, you're setting yourself up for back pain. Your body should be one straight line. Push-ups aren't just chest work, they're a full body code for stability. Mistake number 5, short range of motion. Tiny bends, half movement, half strength. The rule is simple, chest low, arms locked at the top. Your body only adapts to the range you train in. If you want real-world strength, train the full range. No excuses. So here's the strength code. No hacks, no shortcut, just 3 rules. Perfect form, full range, controlled tempo. Every rep is a vote, either for weakness or for strength. So ask yourself, what are you coding today?